there's a couple of different types of sewing with amigurumi. We have applique sewing, where the piece looks like it's just sitting on where you've sewn it to. And then we have blended sewing, which is what you most likely will use most often, where you don't want it to look like you've even sewn it on. You want it to just look like it was a part of the piece, as if you were able to crochet it as part of it, even though you had to sew it on. And Mrs. SewLaTea Doe is going to show you how to do all the different types of sewing. We've got the ears that are just sort of your standard blended sewing, and they're poking out. And then we have the inner ears that are sewn on. They're flat, they're blended flat. And then we have the eyes and the lips. Those are both applique sewing. And then we have the hands, which are just sort of the same as the ears. And then the feet or legs, where you can't fully stuff them until you've sewn them on. They're wide open. So you'll get to learn how to sew on pieces that are like that. And then we also have a tail. So you'll learn how to sew a tail so that it doesn't just flop down and it stays up nice and stable as part of the piece.